Imagine waking up one morning to the news that World War III has already begun, not with a declaration from politicians, not with soldiers crossing borders, but with machines, commanders made of code, algorithms making life and death decisions before humans even knew a war had started. This isn't the plot of a dystopian novel. This is the very real, very dangerous race unfolding right now. The race to build AI commanders before World War III. In 2025, the global arms race has evolved. It's no longer just about who has the biggest bombs or the fastest jets. It's about who can build the smartest algorithms to command entire militaries autonomously. The United States, China, Russia, and even NATO are pouring billions into AI command systems designed to control wars across land, air, sea, space, and cyberspace. The Pentagon's Joint All-Domain Command and Control, or JADC2, remains a cornerstone of this strategy. But since 2024, this project has quietly integrated advanced generative AI models similar to GPT architectures, but tailored for military decision-making. These models are trained not just on military simulations, but on real-world conflicts, historical battle data, satellite imagery, and cyber warfare patterns. In short, they're building digital generals capable of calculating multi-domain war strategies faster than any human mind. China is matching this stride for stride. Their newly announced Shenwei Command AI, revealed at the 2025 Zhuhai Airshow, is designed to operate as an integrated command brain. It can simulate entire battles, predict enemy maneuvers, and even recommend psychological warfare tactics by analyzing social media trends in real time. Analysts fear this system could give China an unprecedented first strike advantage. Russia, not to be left behind, has revived its Caliber AI defense initiative, focusing on integrating AI with hypersonic missile command and control. In 2025, leaked intel revealed that Russia successfully tested an AI system that autonomously planned and executed a multi-front military exercise without human orders. But NATO isn't sitting idle. Their Defense Innovation Accelerator for the North Atlantic, or DIANA, accelerated collaborations with private tech companies in 2025 to build ethical AI commanders. These aren't just reactive systems. They're designed to anticipate conflicts before they start, using predictive analytics, quantum computing partnerships, and continuous data scraping from both open and classified sources. What makes this race so terrifying isn't just the speed of innovation. It's the implications of handing strategic military decisions to machines. Imagine AI commanders deciding that a satellite blip is an imminent missile threat. The machine doesn't hesitate. It strikes. But what if that blip was just space debris? The speed advantage of AI commanders removes the traditional buffers of human caution. Military experts call this the flash war scenario, a conflict that begins, escalates, and potentially ends within minutes. Too fast for human intervention. A recent Rand Corporation study in 2025 warned that fully autonomous command systems could create a crisis of control. Once an AI commander is activated in wartime conditions, it may operate beyond human override. Fail-safes are planned, but in the chaos of war, how reliable are they really? There's also the threat of adversaries hacking or spoofing these AI systems. In early 2025, a classified US military exercise revealed that AI systems were vulnerable to adversarial inputs, subtle data manipulations that caused the AI to misclassify friendly units as hostile. The Pentagon is now investing heavily in what they call AI hardening to prevent such catastrophic errors. Ethically, the situation is even murkier. International law has no framework for AI commanders. If an AI decides to conduct a preemptive strike resulting in mass civilian casualties, who is held accountable? The developers, the military leadership, the politicians who approved the program. As of now, no consensus exists, yet the momentum is unstoppable. Defense budgets in 2025 have seen a marked shift. Traditional hardware spending is decreasing in favor of AI systems, data infrastructure, and cybersecurity. The real weapon of the next world war won't be a nuclear bomb. It will be the AI that decides whether to launch one. Some argue that these AI commanders could actually prevent World War III. By processing data faster and with greater accuracy than humans, they could detect misunderstandings, de-escalate conflicts, and even predict flashpoints before they ignite. Proponents envision a world where wars are managed like chess matches, calculated, contained, and controlled by super-intelligent systems. But history warns us otherwise. Every technological leap in warfare, from the machine gun to nuclear weapons, was supposed to make war too devastating to pursue, yet wars persisted. And when machines make decisions based purely on logic and probability, the messy, emotional, and unpredictable nature of humanity is sidelined. To make matters worse, emerging players like Iran, North Korea, and non-state actors are rumored to be developing rudimentary AI command systems using black market technologies. The democratization of AI could lead to unpredictable conflicts initiated not by nations, but by rogue networks wielding autonomous military systems. And let's not forget the private sector. Defense contractors are racing to supply these AI commanders, often with less oversight than national military programs. In 2025, reports surfaced that private military companies are already field testing semi-autonomous battlefield commanders in African conflict zones, a chilling preview of wars run by corporate algorithms. So where does this leave us? We are standing on the edge of a new kind of war, one that might start and end before most people even realize it began. A war where the decision to attack isn't made in a war room, but inside a server farm. The race to build AI commanders is not just about military dominance. It's about control over life, death, and the fragile balance of peace. If the machines take command, will they be our protectors or our executioners? Because if World War III comes, it might not be started by humans at all. It might begin with a line of code. If you want to stay ahead of this rapidly accelerating arms race and understand the technologies shaping the fate of nations, make sure to subscribe. Because in the wars of the future, the first casualty might be human decision-making itself.